I am utilizing the Bit-integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit-integration dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Brizy from. Select a form. Click Next. Now here search and select Telegram. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want to get the bot API key. Please visit your Telegram bot father. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Select Chat List. Map the respective fields. You can attach file also. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Telegram. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now let's go to the Telegram. Here is the data that came into Telegram through the integration. Thanks for watching our video.